You are
grounded.
For life.
Washington wow 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 wow.
Enjoy the show.
And click the notification bell for more Boris, also known as Our Dad Gets Grounded.
I am going to video ding dong ditch kale windrow see as Boris knows house. Haha. Caillou and Rosie, yes, Boris. No, it's not what it looks like.
Oh my fucking god. Boris, I can't believe you video ding dong ditched my video doorbell. That's it. I'm calling Caillou.
Washington wow 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 wow.
Caillou, do you know what your troublemaking dad did? What did he do this time? He ding dong ditched my video ring doorbell. Can you please ground him? He did what? Oh my fucking god. Thanks for telling me, Caillou and Rosie, yes, Boris. No! He's going to be so grounded for longer. Thanks for telling me. Bye. When Boris got home. Dad, I can't believe you video ding dong ditched Caillou and Rosie, yes, Boris knows house. That's it. You're so fucking grounded until 2022 shit comes out. Go to your room now.
Washington wow 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 wow.